Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to transfer YouTube music to SoundCloud. If you are using any iPhone or Android and you want to transfer your YouTube music to your SoundCloud, so let's see how can you do that. First of all, you have to simply open up your browser, and here you have to search for a website which is tunemymusic.com. You must have to search for that, and here you have to open the website here, and first of all you have to select YouTube music from here. Once you have selected, here you have to copy and paste YouTube music playlist URL and paste here. Once you have that, you have to simply go back, and here you have to look for SoundCloud. Here's the SoundCloud option. You have to simply tap on that, and here you have to log in with your account. Once you have logged into your account, your music will be easily transferred between YouTube Music or SoundCloud. So in this way, you can easily transfer your YouTube music to SoundCloud. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.